Hello guys, how to reset oil light on the Toyota Highlander 2010. First, put the ignitions on. So put the ignition, you click it 2 times and press this and look for A, trip A. You guys can tell right there. So turn it off, press it, and then put the ignitions on. So it's going to blink like that. It's all reset, guys. So that's everything you have to do. And press the brake and start. It's all done, guys. So you guys can tell. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.